everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. So this is the question: will I order Hyundai Kona electric? Well, let's start from the top. Why a Kona? Why not something else? Why not a Nissan Leaf, Hyundai Ioniq, Renault Zoe, whatever? Well, there are three things that I need about my electric car. I will only have one car, so this car has fulfilled all my needs. And first thing is, not too expensive. So all Teslas are gone right away, even Model 3. Too expensive. Can't afford that. Second thing, I want good efficiency even on the highway and highway speeds. So if I drive 130 kilometers per hour on the highway, I don't want my range to drop drastically. And this is where Renault Zoe, Volkswagen e-Golf are gone. So there's only Nissan Leaf and Hyundai Ioniq left. And this is my third demand, if I want to say it like that. Range. For me, my wife and I are going to Prague a lot. I would say almost once a month, and it's 220 kilometers from home. And it's a combination of city, country and highways, so 40 kilometers of highway roads. And I, even in the winter with winter tires, heat on, I want to get there without breaking a sweat. I don't want to look at the range the whole time. Will we make it today? It should be easy. And this is where the Kona is the only car that can achieve that. The Kona or the new Kia Niro EV. But the Kia Niro costs more and it's bigger, but I don't need a bigger car. It's me, my wife and our dog. I don't need a lot of space. The car could be even smaller. So a Renault Zoe size-wise would be enough for me, but it's just that the Zoe doesn't work the way that I want it. So that's why a Kona. That's it. And I was at the Hyundai dealer where I got the test drive car this week, and he showed me the numbers, what he can offer me. And so it was about which version do I get. In Germany, of course, we have the 39 and the 64 kilowatt hour battery, but because of what I just said, of course the big battery, 64 kilowatt hours with 482 kilometers of range, wheel WLTP. And then we have different feature packages. So we have Trend, which is the lowest, has the necessities. Then Style, which has more features, and Premium has all the features that the Kona offers. And in Trend you already have navigation, seat heaters, heated steering wheel and stuff like this. And it's good. For 3,000 or 3,500 euros, I can't remember, more, you get the Style. In the Style you have heat pump for heat, so more efficient in the winter. You have the rain sensor, you have full LED lights in the front and in the back. Great feature. Anything else? Can't remember, I think that's it. And then you have the Premium Edition, which has ventilated seats, head-up display, electric seats, so adjustable, and all the driving aids, so the Hyundai's autopilot, the LFA, and I don't know what. But in the Premium Edition, the things that are there are not something I need. I don't need the ventilated seat, I need the head-up display, I don't need the LFA. It doesn't interest me. In the Style, the heat pump and the rain sensor and the full LED lights are something that are very interesting to me. So for me, it's Style. That's what I want to get. And again, like I said, he gave me the numbers, and I will pay something in front. I will finance the car. In Germany we get incentive 2,000 euros when you buy an electric car, and right now it has a limit to the end of 2019, so in a year. I also will sell this crappy car, and then I will finance it for 4 years, and the end of 4 years you pay what's left, and this is set to the value of the car in 4 years. It's estimated, and it's estimated low, so you never pay on top. So you pay a bit more, but then you're on the safe side. and those numbers are okay. Then I estimated, I looked at insurance for the car, full insurance, so everything is insured. It's around 40 euros a month, 100 euros in 3 months, something like this. And I calculated what it costs to charge it. So I took the worst case scenario, I charge everything at home and never use the free charger or the Mango card or other cards that are still okay. I really charge only at home, and I drive 15,000 kilometers a year, and I estimated a consumption of 15 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. It will be more when I do highway driving, it will be less when I just go around at home, go shopping, go to work and something like this. So it adds up to around 40 euros a month for charging. Right now I pay 130 euros for gas for this car, and I fuel up in Austria, where where gas is 25 cents cheaper than in Germany. We live right at the border to Austria, so that's nice. So it would be 160 or something per month just for gas. And of course this all adds up, what I just said. It's more expensive, of course, than this car. This car is 10 years old. It's a new car, it has 5 years of warranty, 8 years on the battery. So the question is, I can afford it, but do I want to afford it? It's a lot of money just for a car. Sounds great, it will be fun and everything, but still, it's money. And so my wife is against it, of course. And I know a lot of people are now saying, oh my god, look at the pussy, letting his wife tell him what to do. Of course I do. She's my wife, she's working too, she's paying for the car too if we get it. So of course she has a say in it. And she doesn't care about cars. As long as it drives and it gets her to her destination, she doesn't care. Of course she likes some things, seat heaters, and if everything works and is comfortable. But again, if it's electric or not, she doesn't care. She wants a small car, she wants the driving cost to be low. An electric car would be great. But we talked about it, and we have a deal right now. So I just switched jobs. I had a part-time job and now I have a full-time job, so I earn more. And I had a job on the side on the weekend, 4 hours. But the plan was to quit that job because I'm working full-time now. But I said, what if I keep the other jobs, and this is what pays a lot, 50% of the car's payment every month. What if we do that? And she said, okay, work like this, so full-time work, and then Saturday the second job, work that for a few weeks. So we said November, and then we'll see how I feel about it. If it's way too much and I can't do it, or if it's okay and I want to do it, so I get the car. And so we have that deal. I will do everything this November, and then the end of November we'll decide. And if it's all good, then I will go and order the car. That would be amazing. I would really like that. I'm really looking forward. When it comes to delivery time, the dealer had no idea. There's a lot of speculations. He said that a lot of people only reserved the car in front but didn't sign a contract that they want to buy it. Those people, it's possible that it takes a bit. But for the people who really are ordering the car and signing a contract, I will pay for this car when it arrives. He estimates that it will get faster. That's what he says. I don't know if that's true. I would be okay with 6 months. I'm not okay with 12 months of delivery time. A year? I mean, what the hell? So we'll see. We'll wait this month, and I hope it's all okay for me, and then I hope I can order it. That would be amazing. Style, without a sunroof, and in white. I want it in white. This is the only color where the Kona looks good. I've seen it in a few colors, and white is the only color that I like. Every other color I've seen, it looks ugly. I'm so mean. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.